I'm so excited for this today. This truly is one of my favorite sound codes. And all of the Guru Gobind Singh mantras, and especially this one, they carry they carry the frequency of like dignity, like real deep dignity, um, supernatural prosperity. Okay, riches, wealth, boundless prosperity, this supreme superior radiance. Okay, all of the Guru Gobind Singh mantras are radiance mantras, and that's our magnetism in the field. Just this imperial, royal, like deep brilliance, royalty, real roy, like a very the highest type of royalty. Which, is there a higher royalty than God? No. Okay. So literally that infinite, I mean, really just a deep, we talk about the Kundalini yoga as the Raj Yoga, the royalty, like seated on your throne of infinity. And that's really held in this sound. And then we have fearlessness and courage. Okay, that's where the warriorship comes in. And just this grand divinity and total victory. Total victory, that no matter what, I win. No matter what, I win. Okay. And I can, the imprint truly is, from this high vibration, this high signal, everything is just possible. Okay. And then as far as like all of that stuff, what is that doing? It's replacing and obliterating fears, anxiety, neurosis, imbalances. Okay, limitation. Any limitations. So, your neurosis. All right, so that you can really just express, live, operate, move in your full expression, without the hangups, without the hangups, but not just your full expression as your human self, but as your infinite God self as well. Like really just absolute God source, infinity, just installed and coded and like really running through your blood. Like, like rock that, like it's just like running through your blood. Okay. These codes, this code, it just gives you everything. And then of course we know it like balances the hemispheres of the brain, and it really just puts you in a position to just go for it, to do it, to just be, like be, have, and do like anything of your wildest, most like unlimited, maxed out desires and dreams, and really just move fully in your destiny. And destiny is your desires, like what you desire. Living in destiny is living in where you feel called, where you feel pulled, what excites you, what ignites you, what you feel passionate about, drawn to, what you're called to express, what you're called to create, who you're called to love, how you're called to show up in your life, that just really just gives you life and vitality. And then anything that would stand in the way could potentially even stand in the way, whether that's from an internal, whether that's been reflected as an external experience, whether that's what you see out there in the world, which is irrelevant because it's all just an option and a choice, and you get to say no, and I'm not interested, and I don't agree to participate in that about anything that you're shown. So just without all of that, and just to move and be like free and liberated, like in yourself, fully, fully, fully.